Yeah guys, oh, Filipino store. So imagine how much the V-cut. 150. Hi ate.
Hi!
Hi! Mabuhay!
Yo, what's up everyone? Yo! Shout out everyone!
Sobrang daming Filipino. So ito yung Filipino Mall here in Singapore. Tama si Kuya, the driver, yung Grab driver. Feels like home. Oh, there oh. Says Iloilo.
Hey guys, good morning. So what guys, it's been 5 days. It's our last day. Sad ride, but you know, we had a very good adventure with you guys. Thank you for joining us with everything that we gone through. So guys, we are in the hotel now. We're about to go now. So we are gonna go somewhere muna before going back to the Philippines. But guys, we had a very long adventure with you guys. Thank you for joining us.
Oh, but before it was a shopping mall?
No, below is a shopping mall.
Oh, below.
On top is a hotel.
Below is a shopping mall. Oh, nice.
City Tank. So
It's helping
beside the Tank Marine is a Lucky Plaza already.
Oh, that's that place. Let's
Yeah.
go into Lucky Plaza. Well, we
Turn
have
right,
to go
turn
around.
left.
Oh, we have to turn left.
Yeah, there's a taxi stand.
Oh,
Only can drop
I
off
see.
there and pick up from there only.
Alright. So we were talking about how come, Singapore is a very small country. However, most of the Asian nationalities are here. You can find here. It's because he said that, rich people tend to migrate here mainly because of the security that they can get living here in Singapore. So those are the rich people who decided to migrate here because it's very safe here, huh?
Yeah.
Singapore is a very safe country.
Not 100%, but it's very safe.
Yeah, which is good. That's why you can see a lot of sports cars here, expensive cars, expensive architectures, etc.
I-on.
Prada, Louis Vuitton. I mean, like those luxury brands
Yeah.
are quite just normal here. Sir, enjoy your day.
Okay, thank you. Enjoy your holiday.
Thank you. Few steps away from the main door, puro Filipino na yung nakikita namin, and I'm hearing Filipino words, so feels like back home. This is the Lucky Plaza. Siyang Robinsons. Ang daming tao, guys. Look at that, and I bet 90% is Filipino. Wow, look at that. Alright, we're gonna roam around and we'll let you know, guys. Like that, mga noodles sila or what. Yeah, oh, yun. boy is happy again, the little monster. So we bought a lot. So everything is just for 53.55. That's very, very, very cheap talaga, guys. Panalo. So kain muna kami. Oh wow, guys, ayun oh. Jollibee. Nakakamiss na yung Jollibee. Where? Oh, there's a potato corner. There. Let's go to Batangas, Sizzling Paris. Oh, diba? Sizzling Paris. Grabe, sobrang daming tao dito, guys. Puro Filipino restaurants ang nandito. Lutong Pinoy, Lechon Pinoy, you know. Feels back home, really. What are you having? What's that? Burrito corner. So guys, we end up buying from the food court. So Caleb is having burrito corner because at McDonald's it's not available, right? They don't have barbecue French fries there, so
Yeah.
he prefers this one, burrito corner, barbecue flavor. And I'm eating, what's this? Sweet and sour pork and fried chicken and then some veggies. Okay. Guys, this is the center.
Okay, confirm Okay, I don't set the time You
Hey guys, we're going home now. So I booked via Grab, guys. So ang total niya is from Benkulin going to Terminal 4, it's 25.80. So roughly 1,000 pesos, which is similar lang din naman sa atin. If you will be given a chance to come back here, will you?
Yeah.
Wow. So will you recommend this country to your friends?
Yes.
Oh wow.
But but if you don't like walking once again, then don't.
But
go
they
to
can
this
take taxi. They can take taxi. They can take Grab. So
yes,
it's
guys.
okay.
But if you guys don't have that much money, then yeah.
Oh yeah, if we're trying to save some money. Also, what's your favorite food here?
No.
No. All right. What's your favorite activity?
The bumblebee from the roller coaster.
Oh no, the Transformers.
Yeah, the transfer.
Yeah, from Universal Studios.
Yeah.
Oh wow. One more. Press it. Nice. So we are here at the Jewel Mall, Changi Terminal 1. Maaga pa guys, time check, it's 6:35 and we need to go back there around 8 o'clock pa naman. Wow! So guys, this is called HSBC Rain Vortex. That is name pala. Oh my god. Lagi sinasabi ko ano man-made, whatever, indoor waterfalls like that. Which is kinda, yun naman talaga siya. So, yeah, it's very massive. Laki niya guys, oh. There, oh. Massive. Look at that, oh. You know. Guys, so we just crossed the immigration part and we are now here at the GST cash refund. So guys, you have to register here. Click English and then scan your passport there. After scanning, you just have to follow at least 2-3 steps and then you can proceed to the counter. So I'm done now guys. So I got 136 refund there. So like it just took us what, maybe 5-10 minutes. That's it. No? So good luck guys sa inyong refund. Okay, very simple. This is the boarding area. That's from gate 5 to gate 21, then gate 4 to gate 1. So we'll be waiting at the gate 1.
I got $1.60.
So the plane already took off and bound for Manila.
Thank you for supporting us. Thank you guys. We'll see you on the next